Okay, so we're gonna try to microwave this paper bag that I got from Jack in the Box. I wanna see what happens. Oh, our microwave plate's all screwed up. Oh, dang it. What's going on here? I don't know. It's all gooey. Okay, so our bag, I wanna just put it like that. Okay, it's in there, right? It's in there? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna cook it for 5, 0, 0, start. Let's see what happened. Okay, ready? Aw, nothing happened. It like kind of deflated, I think. It's just warm. Oh, nothing happened. This is dumb. Nothing happens to all these things. I don't know. I'm gonna try something else now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye. I don't think it's gonna turn. Oh shit. Where are you going? My hand doesn't work that way. Okay, now doesn't look like our microwave is working. Damn it! What the fuck happened to this? What? I think it's too hot. It's too hot to microwave shit now. Okay, plug it back in. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. It's not working though. The plastic bag broke our microwave. Oh no, it beeped. What? This doesn't make any sense. Microwave plugged in. Ugh. Okay, whoops, I don't know where you're going. That worked. I don't know. Let's try this one. Oh. Okay, so apparently the microwave is broken. I think it is too hot to microwave shit. Maybe because it's in the sun. It's like hecka hot. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna try moving it into the shade and then we'll retry.